Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a most popular Bhindi do Pyaza recipe, more so onions and okra combo. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious Bhindi do Pyaza. Some basic ingredients that we need. So I have taken about 200 grams of okra or bhindi and I'm going to chop off the sides. And we need little bigger pieces of bhindi, so almost like half of your index finger or so. Looks good. I'm just going to chop all my bhindis like this. We need about 3 medium onions, of which half I'm going to chop like these in square pieces, little bigger, and half into small pieces. We are also going to need some tomatoes. Add a tablespoon of oil in a kadhai. We are going to fry the chopped bhindis for a minute or two on a medium-high flame. It adds a nice flavor and also helps to keep the bhindi intact. It's been about a couple of minutes. Let's take the bhindi out. Keep it on the side. Similarly, we are going to fry the onions that we had chopped into bigger pieces. So add another tablespoon of oil and drop the chopped onions. Saute these onions for a minute or so until they get a little soft and have these dark spots. The onions are now fried well. Let's take them out. There are so many versions of Bhindi do Pyaza and this is my version. Hope you like it. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle well. 2 to 3 small cardamoms. Half a teaspoon of methi seeds, and they are optional but they taste really good. Some hing. 1 string of small curry leaves. And now we are going to add the finely chopped onions, about half a cup. Fry everything well. We want to golden fry the onions, so it will take about 5 to 7 minutes and they'll get this nice pink color. Now add half a teaspoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste, and you can always use store-bought ginger garlic paste. Once it's fried well, we'll start adding the spices: turmeric powder, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. As you fry these masalas, turn the flame to the lowest so that they don't burn. Now we are going to add the finely chopped tomatoes, about half a cup, and you can also puree the tomatoes if you like. Tomatoes will add that tangy flavor to this bhindi masala. Within a minute or two, you'll notice that the tomatoes are fried well and you'll notice the layer of oil on top. Now we'll drop the fried bhindis as well as the fried onions. Give everything a really good mix. This bhindi masala recipe gets done in no time and it pretty much tastes like a restaurant style bhindi. Now it's mixed well. We are going to cover and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. Open after about 7 minutes or so and you'll notice a bit of moisture. So give it a good mix again. The bhindi is about 60% done. I'm going to cover and cook it again for another 5 to 7 minutes. Let's open after 7 minutes or so and it's smelling amazing in here. Let's give it a good mix. You'll notice a bit of oil layer, and that's because now our bhindi masala is cooked well. We're just going to add some finishing touches, some garam masala and some amchur powder. Mix it really well. The bhindi masala curry is now ready. Switch off the flame. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and enjoy it hot. This bhindi masala goes really well with some hot chapatis or garam fulkas. Easy to make, and if you're bored of eating the regular bhindi curry, just give this one a try. You'll definitely love it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.